I'm about to go inside and check out the indoor unit of a heating and air conditioning system. I'm going to try to point out some parts while I'm in there, but who knows if I'll be able to point them all out, because right now I'm going to school for it and I don't know all the parts yet. So we're going inside. Here's a fan. This fan right here has a shaded pole motor inside of it because it has adjustable speed. Anyway, so I'm gonna pull that out of the way and we're gonna take a look inside of here. Okay. Here is the filter for a HVAC unit. This is there's the duct. It runs up and it disperses throughout the building, the house. That, to me, that looks like it is some kind of breaker of some sort. Okay, so here is this pipe right here is a drainage pipe. It goes outside of the house, outside of the building, or wherever this unit is located. This drainage pipe goes outside of that structure. Okay, this is part of the HVAC unit. This that runs up in there and runs down. I think that the insulated one, the insulated copper, let's see, there's a discharge line and a suction line. So there's two lines here. One of them's discharge and one of them is the suction line. Here's a label board, and there goes the schematic. This is a schematic diagram of the system. And it says right here, this unit contains R410A, use service parts designed for R410A. Okay.